How's it going, guys? Noah here from Johnson's RV and Auto. We are not in the shop today. We are outside actually with this big behemoth behind me. It is a 2023 Salem Hemisphere 35 RE from the Elite Series lineup of fifth wheels. It is just under 43 feet long, just over 12,000 pounds. It is a brand new floor plan, massive entertainment area, so much counter space in here, king bed slide. This is a great one, guys. Hemisphere is already a high-end trailer. Now they have even higher with the Elite Series. I can't wait to show you guys this one. Let's take a look. So starting up front of the Salem Hemisphere 35 RE, you're going to have your standard front compartment storage underneath the nose cone here, 2 battery boxes in there, and this trailer will come with 2 brand new batteries. In addition, 200-watt solar panel on the roof and a 2,000-watt inverter already built in, ready to go on those off-grid adventures. Your spare tire is under there as well, and a little bit of extra storage. Coming down the side, you are going to see you have plenty of awning coverage here, 29 feet of awning, 16 and a 13, giving you lots of shade on those sunny days. Nice large passenger storage here. As you can tell, your inverter is in there as well. Coming down the side even more, 30-inch entrance door, 4-step solid step from MoRide, nice large grab handle to get in there. Goodyear Endurance tires, beautiful looking wheels, and a 6-point leveling system on this unit. Click a button, this thing will auto level itself out. Right at the back here, you're going to have a very large outdoor kitchen, nice big fridge back here, small little sink, some covered space as well here, and your Suburban flat top griddle that easily slides in and out. One more thing, I almost forgot to mention it. This might be the coolest thing, and this is what makes it the Elite Series. There's a 50-inch TV that literally slides out of your outdoor compartment here. That's pretty crazy. And you got lots of awning here to protect it. Watch TV on those nicer days outside. Let's take a look in the inside. So in the interior of this 35 RE, we're going to start off right at the back of this fifth wheel in this massive entertainment area, the money maker of this trailer. It's got some cool features here, guys, and I'm going to show you one right now. This big TV here that comes standard is going to flip right out of the way here, revealing a big storage space back here. What a great use of space. Beside your TV, you're going to have 2 cupboards here. Great spot to put DVDs and video games. Right underneath your TV, you're going to have 2 large cupboards as well. Nice large fireplace in that mirrored glass look. Furrion soundbar with exterior speakers on the outside of this unit. Right at the back here, 3 large windows around your couch. This couch does fold out and make a nice large bed. It's not a jackknife sofa, it's a full-size bed in there if you are going to house some guests. Storage beside the couch as well as overhead storage. Right across from your TV, your theater seating is going to be positioned perfectly on the slide out here. Again, 3 large windows around here, giving you plenty of natural daylight at the back of this fifth wheel. Into your kitchen, bar area, the coolest area of this fifth wheel. Look at this, guys. A nice big wet bar here, 4 bar stools around it, and there is plenty of storage space in here. Storage up here. Some good looking accent lighting as well. Nice large window, going to give you some natural daylight when you're in here doing the dishes or mixing up some drinks, making some food. Storage underneath your large sink here. 2 large drawers as well, and some more storage over here as well. Right across from your sink, you're going to have your cooking area here, residential microwave with storage on either side, residential cooktop, and as well as a residential oven. You can actually use this fifth wheel to cook in. It's going to feel way more like a home than a trailer. Like I said, large oven here, guys. Like you can actually, make a turkey dinner or make something in there. 6 drawers as well around the oven, and a 16 cubic foot, 12 volt fridge freezer here, giving you plenty of space. Another cool feature that they added, wine bottle holder here. And you're gonna have a nice large pantry here with a motion sensor light. Plenty of space in here. And they're even gonna give you a drawer to use all the space that they can. Let's go up and take a look at the bedroom and the bathroom. So up into the nose cone of the 35RE, window in the hallway, which is great. These fifth wheels are usually dark in this area, so it gives you some natural daylight if you don't have the lights on. Up into the bathroom here. Nice large bathroom here, very large residential shower. You're gonna have your toilet down there in the corner, and lots of storage space here to put some towels or anything you really need to put in there. There's gonna give you plenty of room. It runs all the way to the back. On the other side, you're gonna have a medicine cabinet up top and a sink with some storage underneath here as well. Into the bedroom of the 35RE, nice thing in the Salem Hemisphere fifth wheels, 6.5 foot height in the bedroom, so gives you lots of space if you are a taller person. 72 by 80 full size king size bed, and you're gonna have your massive wardrobe up front here, washer dryer prep, Wi-Fi prep. There is plenty of storage space there. There's hangers, there is shoe shelves, there is pretty much anything you need. If you want to put a washer and dryer in there, it is very easy to hook up. Right across from the bed, you're going to have a location to put a TV as well, and nice laundry hamper, as well as 4 large drawers for some extra clothes storage. So there you have it, guys. This is the 2023 Salem Hemisphere 35RE fifth wheel from the Elite Series. Like I said, this is a brand new floor plan, and I really think they nailed it with this one. It's really geared for those people that want to entertain, want to have people over. This massive U-shaped bar here, lots of seating area, plenty of space in this entertainment area, but at no cost to your bedroom. You're still going to have your 72 by 80 king size bed on the slide out there, nice big bathroom, a large wardrobe up front here, guys. This is the Elite Series. It is high end, and it looks really high end. I can't wait to show you guys this thing. If you are interested in this unit, please come down, ask for Noah, and I can give you a tour.